Cool, right? That was all done by AI. Thank you to History Viper for bringing my attention to the new viral trend, mini workers. Just look at it. It is about miniature workers working on food, be it a croissant or some candy. Let's get started. And first we will make a screenshot of one of those shorts with mini workers. Now crop the screenshot. Next we will go to ChatGPT and write the following. I will give you an image and you need to give me the image prompt in text form for those kind of images, but do not give me only now, but give me multiple variations. Add the screenshot and press enter. Okay, it doesn't quite understand. So let's write almost. I want you to give me those style of images with little miniature workers, but do it with different types of food. Okay, this is perfect. Now we'll take and copy the first prompt and go to an AI image generator. We will use Leonardo AI. It is free to use, the quality is amazing and we get daily 150 credits. Let's add the prompt and now set the aspect ratio to vertical, so 9x16. Now generate the image. This will take around 30 seconds. There it is. Just amazing. Download the one you like most. Now next we are going to bring the image to life and we'll be using Hailuo AI. Here we can generate 3 free videos daily. Go to Create and now click on Image to Video. Now add the AI image from Leonardo AI. And in the text box we will add the ChatGPT image prompt. Now generate it. And yes, this will take some time since we are using the free plan. It can take like half an hour or even longer when you have bad luck. While that one is generating, let's go ahead and generate all the other prompts from ChatGPT with Leonardo AI. And now we will do the same process and generate the videos in Hailuo AI. And guys, I will even use another account just to be able to generate all the videos. The videos are done, here they are. Let's download them, and now we will open up CapCut. Add all the videos in the playlist. Now change the speed and make them 50% longer like this. Next, we will go to YouTube and download a construction site sound effect. I am using the 4K video downloader, but you can use any YouTube MP3 downloader out there. Now add it to CapCut. Next, we will get some music from the YouTube audio library and also add it. Add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own viral mini workers with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.